So Dr. Lirman created Rescue Reef with the purpose of advancing and expanding his coral reef research and restoration here in Miami, Florida. So the way we do that is by educating the public both through seminars, but then also through participation. So we'll engage school groups, community groups, dive clubs, we'll host laboratory tours, anything to raise awareness on the issues surrounding coral reefs, but also the solutions currently being researched in the field. In addition to those public outreach events, we host citizen science expeditions centered around our coral reef restoration methodologies. So anyone that's divers or snorkelers can actually come on the boat, meet our scientists, learn our methodologies, and then contribute to coral reef restoration firsthand.